So, you've got the iRobot Roomba 205 and you're ready to let it do the hard work for you. But first, we need to connect it, and once that's done, your Roomba will be all set to clean smarter than ever. Remove and rinse the water tank thoroughly to keep it fresh, making sure there is no dirt or residue left inside before reinstalling. Wash the reusable mop pad after each use and let it dry completely before putting it back. For best performance, also wipe the robot's sensors, charging contacts, and camera with a soft, dry cloth to maintain accurate navigation and efficient charging. Don't forget to clean the charging station itself. Wipe away dust, hair, or debris around the docking area so the robot can connect properly every time. And that's it! Your Roomba 205 is now clean, fresh, and ready to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one.